What's up, YouTube? I ain't got no fucking light, but it's the SSR 125cc pit bike. I'm making this video just for Doughboy because he wanted to see me fucking box the shit. Oh, you cock meat. Doughboy, I hope you're happy. Oh yeah, here we go. She's a big bitch. Woo! Here's gonna be my garage to build the bitch. Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! There's a little baby. Uh-huh. You don't hear me giggling. You don't hear me giggling, you nuts. Damn, we got a solid metal framer on that bitch. Woo! Alright. I will send more videos up in about an hour when I build this son of a bitch.